In this video, how to manage older employees without getting your ass killed. Just kidding, no one's gonna kill you. All right, so you're promoted. You're probably feeling pretty damn good about yourself. And of course, you should. You've got the world in the palm of your hand. But as a new and possibly young manager, what will you do if you have employees who have a ton more experience than you and could be more than a decade older than you? Yep, you're qualified for the job, that's obvious. But you may rightfully worry about gaining the respect and being trusted as an authority. Without trust and authority, it's going to be damn hard to motivate your team and to deal with conflicts. So, what you gonna do, brother? That's my Hulk Hogan. And yeah, okay. Well, here's the good news. You're watching this video with this guy. And you're gonna subscribe and you're gonna share the channel too, right? Okay, good. So here's 4 things you can do to bridge the age gap. Number 1, get to know your employees. Respect is not automatic, especially to some punk kid who comes in thinking they know everything. I'm just kidding. But in reality, that is a perception you're gonna have to overcome. Put in an honest effort to get to know the individual employees. Don't be fake or cheesy, be genuine. Take interest in their story. Look for ways you can eliminate pain points for them. Don't look at them like some old farts stuck in their old routines. By giving them a fair shake, you're making it easier for them to do the same to you. And that's all you can ask for, a fair shot at earning respect. Number 2, make necessary changes, but respect the culture. So you're fresh in the management role and you want to succeed. You may think you should start making changes and stand out. Slow down, cowboy. Take it easy, take a step back. Ask the experienced people how and why they do things a certain way. Take time to learn what is what. If you take time to understand, then you'll have an easier time getting acceptance. If you come in guns a-blaring, I guarantee you will be met with major resistance. Of course, you shouldn't accept the "that's how it's always been done," just as employees don't want to accept a young guy coming in trying to shake it up for the sake of it. It comes back to gaining mutual understanding between ideas and moving forward together. Number 3, support and collaborate. As a young buck, you're going to feel the need to come in and prove yourself, to try to outdo your older employees and show them your competence. But all that will do is breed resentment. Instead, what I would suggest is you go out of your way to be the biggest supporter of your employees. Show them that you're on their team and you're invested in their success. Only when an employee genuinely believes you're their partner at work will the competitiveness fade. So, how can you do this? One way is to ask for help, especially if the employee is skilled in an area that you aren't. Now, you may think asking for help makes you look weak in front of your new staff, but in reality, when you show a vulnerability, it can actually lead to loyalty and trust. Number 4, frequently and transparently communicate with your team. Never underestimate the power of open communication. Take a minute, stop by your employee's desk, and give feedback. Figure out how each person likes their feedback. For some people, an email is great. For others, they may want a minute of one-on-one discussion. The more you openly communicate with your team, the more they'll trust you. And encourage your team to openly communicate with each other. If everyone is open and honest about expectations, goals, and decisions, then a minor thing like age is a non-issue. I really hope this video provides value, and if it does, give it a thumbs up because that helps me out. Remember to subscribe, and if you know anyone that could benefit from this information, share it with them. Until next time, cheers. Thanks.